Hello there. Today we are going to see about Dr. Faustus by Christopher Marlowe. The original title of the play is The Tragic History of the Life and Death of Dr. Faustus, which is shortened to Dr. Faustus, and it was published in 1604. The theme of the play is the clash between medieval period and emerging Renaissance. Faustus leaves his spiritual goodness for power, wealth, and other materialistic gains, and the moral of the play is the choice we make in our life which will lead to salvation or damnation. Faustus is a German scholar and he is not interested in all the traditional learning like medicine, logic, law, or in theology. But he wants something more. He wants to learn something more. He wants to live a life which is different. So he tries to learn the art of magic. And when he thinks of art of magic, two angels appear in front of him. One is evil and one more is good angel. The evil supposed to learn magic and the evil encourages him to leave the magic and read all the scriptures. He has two friends named Valdus and Cornelius. They support Faustus for learning magic and they also teach him few magical tricks. With the magical tricks, Faustus summons Mephistopheles. Mephistopheles is a devil. Faustus asks for 24 years of service from Mephistopheles. In turn, he is ready to give away his soul for Mephistopheles. Mephistopheles informs all this to Lucifer, and when Lucifer comes, he asks Faustus to sign in an agreement with his own blood. When he is about to sign the agreement with his own blood, the blood solidifies. At that time, Mephistopheles melts the blood using his power, magical power. So after signing the document agreement, the words Homo fugue appears in the arms of Faustus, which means O man fly. After this, Mephistopheles gives him a book of spell to Faustus and answer all his questions, but he refused to answer one question, that is, who created the universe. So this gives doubts to Faustus. Mephistopheles calls Lucifer and Beelzebub at this time, and Lucifer advised Faustus not to doubt about all these things and just enjoy the life which he has and the 24 years of service. And also he is staging a show which has 7 deadly sins. They are pride, covetousness, wrath, envy, gluttony, sloth, lechery, and Faustus enjoys it without relating all this to his life. Faustus uses his magical power to travel. Once he goes to Rome with Mephistopheles. There he pranks on Pope Adrian. He steals food and pulls the ears of Pope Adrian. And he also helps a person named Bruno, who is a German, from the punishment of Pope. This gives him good name from the king Charles V. When Faustus returns back to Germany, Charles V sends a note of thanks to Faustus for saving Bruno. And Charles gets to know about the magical powers of Faustus and he asks him to show the appearance of Alexander the Great. And Faustus, with his magical power, brings Alexander the Great figure. And there is a guest named Benvolio. He mocks at Faustus for his magical powers, and Faustus gets very angry and gives him horns. There is a person called Robin, who is a person in German, who agrees to serve Wagner, the Faustus servant. So after learning little bit of magic, Robin and his friend Rafe tries to make booze and summon Mephistopheles. Mephistopheles turns them into animal. So by end of 24th year, a group of scholars of the university gets to know that Faustus is going to die. The soul is going to be taken away from the earth by devil. When they were talking, they ask Faustus to summon Helen of Troy, and Faustus also brings Helen of Troy and finally falls in love with Helen of Troy. So by the end of the play, there appears two angels. Evil shows hell and endless torture, and good angel shows heaven, but the doors are closed because of his greed and all the magical powers. By the end of the play, Faustus begs for the mercy and not to take him to the hell, but it is of no use. All the devils take him to hell at the midnight. Next day, a group of scholars find Faustus' body on the road and they conduct funeral for Faustus' body. This is the end of the play. Thank you for listening. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.